What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about Spot Pet Insurance. Spot Pet Insurance offers comprehensive coverage for pets, providing financial protection against unexpected medical expenses. With a range of plans to choose from, pet owners can customize their coverage to suit their pet's needs, from accidents and illness to preventive care options. Now, let's take a look at some of its benefits. Spot Pet Insurance offers comprehensive dog insurance plans that cover a wide range of medical expenses for your canine companion. These plans include coverage for accidents, illness, diagnostics, treatments, prescription medications, emergency care, surgeries, and rehabilitation. With up to 90% cash back on eligible vet bills and flexibility to visit any vet in the US or Canada, Spot's dog insurance plans provide peace of mind and financial security for unexpected veterinary costs. Spot's puppy insurance plans provide thorough coverage for your young furry friend, ensuring they receive the necessary care in their early stages of life. These plans encompasses diagnostics, treatments, prescription medications, emergency care, surgery, and rehabilitation for puppies who may encounter unexpected accidents. By offering comprehensive protection for your puppy, Spot's insurance plans aim to support their health and well-being during the crucial development stages. Spot Pet Insurance extends its coverage to feline companions with affordable and comprehensive cat insurance plans. These plans provides cats with head-to-tail coverage similar to the offering for dogs, including up to 90% cash back on eligible vet bills and access to 24/7 pet telehealth services. With the same level of coverage and benefits as the dog insurance plans, Spot's Cat's insurance plans ensure that your feline friend receives the care they need without financial worries. Spot's optional preventive care plans offer coverage for routine care expenses such as vaccinations, flea and tick prevention, and annual checkups. These plans have no waiting periods and can assist in early detection of health issues, disease prevention, and overall well-being of your pet. By including preventive care options, Spot aims to promote proactive pet healthcare and provide comprehensive coverage for your furry companion's preventive needs. Spot Pet Insurance allows pet owners to tailor their insurance plans to suit their pet's specific needs and their budget. With options to choose from accident-only or accident and illness coverage, as well as various levels of preventive care add-ons, pet owners can customize their coverage to best fit their pet's requirements. This flexibility in coverage options ensure that pet owners can select a plan that aligns with their pet's health needs and their financial preferences. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. Spot Pet Insurance, like many other providers, does not cover pre-existing conditions. This means that any health issues or conditions your pet had before the insurance plan became active will not be covered. This limitation can be a drawback for pet owners whose pets have pre-existing conditions, as they may not receive coverage for treatments related to those conditions. The accident-only plan offered by Spot Pet Insurance covers unforeseen accidents but does not provide coverage for illnesses that develop over time, such as respiratory infections. This limitation can be a drawback for pet owners whose pets may be prone to chronic illnesses or conditions that are not considered accidents. Opting for the accident and illness plan would be necessary to ensure coverage for a broader range of health issues. While Spot Pet Insurance offers preventive care coverage options as add-ons for additional cost, these packages may increase the overall cost of the insurance plan. Pet owners need to consider the added expenses of these preventive care options when customizing their coverage. The cost of these add-ons could potentially make the insurance plans less affordable for some pet owners, especially if they are on a tight budget. In conclusion, while Spot Pet Insurance offers comprehensive coverage and customizable options for your furry companions, it's essential to consider potential drawbacks such as pre-existing condition exclusions, limited coverage for certain illnesses, and the cost of additional preventive care add-ons. By weighing these factors and selecting the right plan for your pet's needs, you can ensure they receive the care and protection they deserve. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.